The Marble Genius Marble Run Starter Set 130 is a vibrant dinosaur-themed toy that offers endless possibilities for assembly, stimulating creativity, and problem-solving skills in children. Comprised of 80 translucent pieces and 50 glass marbles, the set allows for a thrilling visual experience as you watch the marbles navigate through the intricately assembled course. The solid plastic pieces are not only durable for long-term use, but also easy to handle for both young kids and adults. With 6 sturdy bases, including a large one, the set provides maximum stability, minimizing the risk of collapse and ensuring a safe play experience. The set includes standard toy-size marbles, each uniquely designed and perfect for maneuvering through tight corners and curves, adding to the excitement of the race. Moreover, this set is compatible with other Marble Genius sets, opening up even more possibilities for challenging and creative play.